Hi, welcome you back to our video lecture. And we have completed the part 1. I hope all you have gone through that one and you know how to install, how to download, and how to go for these plugins and everything you have done. In this part, as I promised you that I will be telling you how to design these blogs and how to design these web pages using this WordPress. Okay. So now you can see the web page is there in front of you, the blog is there in front of you, and you have everything here in front of you. We can have a number of things like home, menus like home, about, services, blogs, and contact. Learn now, and you already I told you that how to change these things and how to change all these buttons and everything, and how to edit all the things I have to tell you. Okay. So now if you want to do all the things, then we can just simply go to the dashboard. In the dashboard you will find it here, one yeah, it's opening. Now you can see a button is there in the customize your site. Okay. So once you click this customize your site, once you click the customize your site, so you will find some interface here now, where you can find the header, the footer, and all the things you can get it there. Now our job is there. In the header you will find something, because previously some other write-up it was there, or you can put a logo and everything is there. Suppose I want to change something here. Okay. So if you want to click it here, then just I want to change this thing here. Okay. So what you need to do? So you just come on here and edit it. So you click this one and here it is coming edit. So what is the things you are writing? I am writing the VBC coders. Suppose you want to install some logo and you have to put some logo, then in that case you have to put the upload the logo and all, because I have not designed any logo, so I am not putting any logo, just I am writing some words. So I am writing VBC coders and just I am putting it here, display site title here. You can see it here, I am writing VBC coders and I am writing display site tags. So tagline I am writing coding is our birthright, I am putting display the tagline. So these are the things it is available, and you can see it here how it looks with your laptop or the screen, and how it looks with the tablet, and how it looks with the, if you want to check it with the mobile, so it will be looking like this in your mobile. Suppose you want how it looks like in your no, this tablet, it will look like this. And suppose you how it looks like in your laptop or desktop, that it will look like this. All this option is there, you can check it here, because you are designing, so you must know how it looks after this website is completed and everything there, right? So now you know how to edit this logo and how to change all things. Suppose I want to change something here, I want to change this logo here, sorry, this button here, just you click it here. So this is the editing. Now you can see this button name and something you want to change it here. I previously it was something different, I want to change it learn now, so I change it here, it is showing learn now there. Okay. So everything you can do it here, and once you have completed successfully, then you have to update all the things, because you have not changed anything or I have not done anything, so there is no need to update all things, right? So this was all about the entire first section. This is the heading section you have completed. So these logo or some write-up here you have done, and everything it is there, the menu, everything is there as it is. You can add a menu, you can delete, you can edit also, everything you do. And I create a button also, by clicking it there you can start learning. Then in the heading you are having learning coding for free, it is there. Then you are having a line is here also, you can change the line also. Suppose I want to change these lines and all things, you can do it here. Now suppose I take it here, and anyway that is all the things you can do it here. Then coming to everything you have done up to this. Now coming to the other sections here, so these are things you can do, and once you complete all these things here, yeah, everything it will be appearing in front of you like this, and you can close it. You can come out of these things by clicking this one, and if you want to close, you can close it here also, right? So yeah, it has not properly taken, so it is closed now, it will be going to close, right? Now you are still there in the dashboard. Okay. So suppose, yeah, I want to see my website how it looks, so I go to the VBS coders, and in this VBS coders you clearly see this is the thing. You have successfully changed this one, you have successfully changed this button, and all the things it is there. The first section it is everything is okay. The second section is the latest post and all things, this you have done. The third one I want to edit, because coding is live, and our partner I have already shown you yesterday, and I want to show you how I can insert some video lectures there also, video YouTube video I have to put it there. Okay. So now I am going to work on this section. Okay. Previously it was something different. Now what I have to do, so for editing this type of things, what you need to do is just edit with the Elementor, because I already told you regarding this Elementor, we already downloaded and you already put all the plugin there. So now I go for edit with the Elementors. You'll find some interface there where you can go for the editing everything. Just it is opening, and in the meantime you can see it here what the important things you are going to edit there. So three things you can see it here. that yeah, it is not exactly this sections. I want to edit these sections. Okay, here three things you can see to what I told you, that I am putting some title here. The title you can change it. I am putting some write up. You can change this one also. So then the background also images you can change it there. Okay, these are the three things you can do it here. And even if through the inner sections you can put it some inner section. The inner section means it is inserting at least two columns. Okay, so it will insert something with two columns, and there you can suppose I want to drag some images. So drag and put first image here, drag and put second image, everything you can do it here like this, right? So up to this, so it is clear for you. And even if now you want to see it here, I want to edit these things, code editing is just you click it here. Once you click it here or edit it here, you can see coding is live, something I'm writing here. And here also where I get all the things, because I want to write something on this Jugberg. So where I get it, because Jugberg, what he told, I don't remember, and it is not possible to remember what people say. It is unless it is an important thing. So he is talking something about the coding and all things. Somebody is asking, are you still doing coding and this, that, and all things. Then he is telling all the things. Then you go to the Google search and write some this Mac Zuckerberg and all things, and what he told, all the things you copy and paste it here. Not here, just click it here or you go for the editing it here. But the things you select it here and paste it here. Okay, because that HTML spaces and everything it will take and looks out some white space, it will appear here in between. Now what you need to do it here. So you have successfully changed the title, you have successfully chosen, and this is if you want to change this line also, no. So you see the line is also coming, the width and everything it can be controlled here by increasing, decreasing. Suppose I want to decrease something here, you can still it's here. And if everything is successfully completed, then you can update all things, right? So I updated here also. Okay, once you have updated, you can see it here, the thing is there like this. But now mine, even if it is updated, but the background images I have not taken anything. The background images I have not taken anything. So I want to change the background. Initially one background heel and everything was there, but I don't like that one. I want, because it is a coding related, I want to put some gaming related things, I want to put it there. How do you do that one? Okay, so for doing that one, what I need to do, so just you first click this one. This is for click for editing. Then you click the background and you go to the style here. So in the style, you can see some background, it is coming. Yeah, it is coming here, and you select it here. Okay, while you are selecting for this thing, yeah, you see the background, and while you are going for this thing, yeah, so you can suppose I want to put some videos here. So you click it the videos here, and I want to provide a link to that one. Where I get this link, just you give me a minute time, because I am getting a call there, and you, yeah, so you can see it here, that how do we go for creating all the things. And now what I told you, that I want to put a link to this video here, and here I don't have any link here. What I have to do, because I want I want to make some animated related background. Okay, so for this animated related background, what I have to do, just I go to anything here. Yeah, I go to the Google Pay. I just go to any of these, no, YouTube, and here I type gameplay CSGO, gameplay, then the Counter Strike Go. You will be knowing, all these people will know. Okay, so here just you right click here, and you see it will be there some copy the address, copy the link, better copy the link, save the link, copy the link address. Okay, I copied it here, the link. So once you copied this link here, then come back here and you come to the link here. Can you see the link here, video link is there? Just double click here and control V. Okay, so once you put it here, now you can clearly see something is happening in the background. Yeah, it takes some time, but yeah, it's going on there. Okay, now you can clearly see, and once it is done successfully, you can see a background with all the things. Then I just go for this now, update. So once you update all the things, and once you, because it is successfully done, now it is updating. Once this updation part is completed, then you can clearly see this background, it is coming within just like a game development. You can write something instead of this coding is life, you can write game development tutorial or something, you can write it there also. Okay, right? So now it is done, I think successfully it is done. So then I just go to here for checking whether it is done successfully. Just I go to the local host and I go for the my blog, and once you click it here, you can see a beautiful blog in front of you. That website is there. Now you can see it here, this part is there, and this is your college name and code name, it is coming, and here also you are in the home page and everything is there. Now if you come back here also, you can see a latest post or what the post I created it there. Now you see code is live, you can clearly see a beautiful thing it is coming here. You can see some people are there, some playing games there, and this you have done it. You see, this what you have done. Have you written any coding for these things? Just what is in the background, just you have taken. And suppose you want to put it in the center, or you want to span it throughout the width. That also you can do it there. Then how do you do that one? Just to come here, just come on here, and this part is there. I don't like this one. Okay, so this part, and just you delete. Okay, so it has come here now. Everything is coming here. You can check it here. Can you just select it and delete it, right? So Control S, no need to say automatically there, and just you go for this update. Now it is updated here. Now when it is updated, now it is still updating. When it is successfully updated here, then you can see it will be reflected there in your web page, and you can see it here. Now still it is going on. Yeah, it's done. Now once you come here and you refresh it, you can see yeah, still it is taking. Coding is live and all things there, and you can have your background images and everything. It will come. It is loading. Okay, so that is video. So it is coming. Now you can see the coding is live and something like that. Suppose you want in the middle, or you want everything, you can whatever you want you do, and you see now you are having the background and everything. You can check it here, right? So this is the thing you can do. This is the thing you can do. And suppose you come here, our partners. I have already shown you everything is there. Suppose I did not show you how to insert this one there. So I want to insert some video inside this my blog or something like that. So how do you do that one? So simply go to the edit with Elementor, while you are there still in this Elementor, while you are going for this editing, yeah, just you go to here, and yeah. So if you remember, I have given you something like that liveness. Okay, so this is a free plugin which was there already, you downloaded and you already put it there. So using that one also you can put to the videos, audios, whatever you see, you can see it here. Here in the basic also it is there, one video is there. Okay, so just drag and put it YouTube is there. Okay, what I do, okay, so just first you come down, you come down, and here you can see, suppose I drag this video, it is asking where you want to put it. Suppose I want to put it here or here somewhere. I already put it here because there is no need to put it again, so I am not putting it here. So when you put it here, then it will be asking you provide a link for that one. So for this is the video what I have already done, the part 1. This video I am putting it as a reference here like this, right? So now you can put it there and you can update. So once everything is completed here like this, so you have a beautiful things in front of you, right? So now you can see it here, everything is there, and you see our partners are there, latest is there, this is that, all things are there. Now with all these things coding in life, it is coming centrally. And what I told you that this thing also, while you are creating this text, so you can create some links, you can unlink some which already previously linked also. So now it looks very beautiful. If you as a beginner and what you have done, it looks very excellent. And this is a YouTube video already, I put it there, link I put it there. So if you run it here, it is showing something like that, it will be coming to you. Yeah. It takes because net is slow and linking all the things and getting all this connection. Yeah, so I just put it here and you can check whatever things said there, if it is running, everything it will be running. You got it now? So this is the thing, and this is not necessary because just I already saw, just I wanted to show you how it works. Okay. Now with this we have done everything successfully, and if you go for these things also, you can go for localhost my login. So this is your web pages which you have already created. Suppose we want to change some other things. So I want to change these are the different menus, different pages here. Menu means different pages are there. Home is one page, and about is about another page. Services is there, and blogs is there. Contact is there. Suppose I go for this contact. In this contact, most important thing is that the viewers or the people here, we need information about them, and they need our address for contact. Suppose you want to go for this commercial part, say, or some information sharing part. They have to intimate you. They have to inform you. How they inform you? For information, you must have your email ID, you must have your mobile number, or you must have some address. Okay, and even some people who are go for the commercialization now, so they go for now how you go to pay by these things. So I put it that somebody has to learn all the things, he has to pay me only 100 rupees. So in this 100 rupees, he can access this 3 hours or 1 hour, 1.5 hour coding and everything. You can get it. I can share the coding also. So in that case, it is a comfortable thing. Somebody can pay 100 rupees, or even if 150 rupees, they can pay it here. So it may be 100 rupees is a less amount. Just imagine if some 1,000 people they pay me 100 rupees. Suppose globally 1,000 people they are interested to download these things or to know about all things. So if I collect 100 rupees from 1,000 people, so it is 1 lakh. You understand, 100,000 means it is 1 lakh. So I get 1 lakh, which is in a fraction of minute also I can earn 1 lakh rupees. You understand what I am telling you? So in that case, suppose the person who wants to do, so while somebody is subscribing and all things, he has write his name, his email ID, his messages, or even if the mobile number and everything, you can put it here. So you all the things it is possible. And suppose you want to edit it here. No, I want to put something like that. Mobile number should be there. Then what I have to do? Just you go for the form. Okay, you just edit with the WP forms. So while I am going for these things and going for all forms, you will find all these things. It will be there in the left hand side. Is still opening. You can find all the things are there. So yeah, you can you see it here? Add a new and entries, settings, tools, everything you can put it there, right? So suppose you want to um, add new, okay, or something like that. So suppose I go for add new. So okay, so I go for add new. Okay, so in that case it will ask you whatever things you want. Okay, that you can put it there. It is loading, it takes some time also. So now thing is that you can see it here. So all the things you can put it here, the form. So you can go for a blank form, or you can some existing also you can change, or different type of templates are provided here. Suppose you want a new one, click a blank form, or click a blank one. Suppose you click a blank form here, right? Okay, so if you click a blank form here, then it will ask you in that form what you want exactly. Is opening, just a sample I am showing to you. So what exactly you want it here in this part? So I want single line test, or I want, no, what are the things you want? Standard fields are there. So from this, what exactly multiple choices are there, or numbers are there, emails are there, name. So I want a name, drag and drop. I want email put it there. So I want a no, some whatever things you want it here. Level also you want, you put it here. Everything you can put it here. Okay. So all the things you can do it here. Don't say, because I am not going to do all things, so I am not saving it here. Okay. So now everything you can do it here. Okay. So creating a form and all the things you can do it here, because I don't need all the things already I have created, so there is no need to do that one. Okay. Or you want to add some field also, you can add it here. So go back, because everything we have done it successfully. Okay. So or you want to edit this contact form which is there, just you click it here and you can see your contact form. In this contact form, what is your things are already it is there. Okay, already things it is already there. Okay, suppose I want to add something like that. This is the mobile number. Okay, so mobile number means it should be some number system, or so I put it here, drag and drop it here, and I want to put it here. I want to put it here. Okay, so can you see it here? Okay, so it is saying like this, and click to edit all the things. So you click to edit the, okay, so click to edit, just to go for this editing. Okay, now it is saying the label is number. I don't want any number. Instead of this thing, I just put it required, and I don't want this thing. Okay, label I don't want it. Okay, so back. So instead what I want, so you go to the advanced options. In the advanced options you can go for, so everything you can do it here, because see, just you explore what is there in front of you, everything you can do it. And here you see the default, well, placeholder I want enter mobile. Okay, enter your mobile number, NUMB number here. Okay, it's clear. So now it's clear. Now everything is there. Now I save it. Just I modified something now. Just I save it. Okay. So is it okay? It's clear. So now you understand what I am telling, that now already I saved it. So it is saving. Okay, it is already saved. So now what I have to do? Now I go for this thing here now, and I go for my local host, my blog, and here I go for this contact. Okay. So now I go for this contact here. You can see it here. You have a beautiful contact form where contact us is there, and here what you have written. So first you have written your name, your email address. Just I edited in front of you, and I am putting enter your mobile number here. Okay, so it is there, because now nobody is writing a label there, that placeholder, because your name is there now. Once you start typing here, it will disappear. So my name is, say, suppose Gunamani Jana, Jana, right? Gunamani Jana, I want to put it here. Your email address, I put it like the drg Jana, drg jena Jana, sit at the rate, gmail.com, right? So this is the thing it is there. And enter my mobile number, I write 944 0121 and if it is international then you write a plus 91 here, plus 91 hyphen, it is there, it will take to India. So message, hi, returning please enter a valid number. So why it is not taking, because maybe this thing it is not understanding clearly, so you don't have any problem. So okay. Message, just you write I am good, I am good, something like something I write, whatever things I am good, okay, send message. So now you can see here something you already created and you are sending, it is sending, right? So now you got it now, thanks for contacting us and we will be in touch with you shortly. You got it now. So now you got it now what I'm doing. So everything you are able to do it now using all things, and anything you want to change anything, and these images you don't like. I know you people don't love nature. You want on the game development, this, that, and all the dirty things you want. Okay, you change it. It is your choice because it is your website and it is you are the coder. It is your system. What you want to do. But when you are preparing for a client, you cannot impose your wish. It is the client's wish. What type of things he wants, you have to put it that like that. The color and everything, you must be careful for that one, right? So in this manner, whatever things you want, you can do it here, and whatever the things you want to modify, update, and everything, that also you can do it here. And now the choice is there in front of you. Okay, so now let me go and check. This is the thing. Yeah. So it's okay if anything else, say suppose I go for the services, I want to edit and go for the services. Okay, so in these services what we do, yeah, you will find a beautiful thing that it is time to start your adventures and all things, and I don't want all the things. Suppose now you telling it is the time to start your adventures, I don't want any adventures, so it is I want the coding. So what I need to do, so edit with Elementor, just click it, edit with Elementor, and I want to edit all the things, right? So it is editing, and you can see here one interface, it is coming in front of you, and whatever the title, what is the tagline, whatever things you want, everything you can edit. If the background images, or you want to add something, you want to delete something, you want to write a code, everything you can do it here. Services is there, you want to keep the services, you keep it there. If you don't want it, that is different thing. It is time to start the adventures. No, I don't want an adventure, it is time to start coding. It is time to start your adventure, start coding. Coding. Okay, now you can see it here, everything it has come here now, and this I don't like, whatever it is there. So regarding the coding, something it is there. um, in India, coding is as popular as as an one day cricket match between India and Pakistan. Don't write these type of things, but I think that I just am for I am putting it there. Okay. Mm, okay. So in India, coding is as popular as an one-day cricket match between India. India spelling is wrong, I think. NDIA, India and Pakistan. So, okay, suppose this is the thing I want it. Okay, so this part you have done successfully. So then suppose you want to, yeah, update it here. You want to update. Okay, okay. So this is the thing. Then here these things I don't want. So suppose that I want this, I want to edit these things. Okay, what it is coming. So I write it here. Image. So their propagation tips, etc. I don't like those things. So better I put it the coding tips. Coding tips. Okay, so you put it here. Then YouTube tips. tips for blogger. Okay, you something it is coming. Can I see it here? Just I edit this one, so it is coming. uh, this is the YouTubers blogs tips. Blogs, blogs, blogs tips. Okay, so it is there, so that you can coding tips have given, and blogs tips are not trips, tips. Blogs, because that this I cannot check it. TIPS. Okay. uh, Tips. Okay, so now while you are coming over here also, suppose I want no, not water sport, I want something like that, no, YouTuber. Okay, so instead of all the things water sports, I put it here YouTuber, something like that. So caps lock YouTuber, YouTuber. Okay, so then winter sports, instead of these things I want something. See, see what I am writing is not important. How you do all the things, that I am telling to you only. Okay, so now instead of this winter sports, you suggest me something whatever you want. So I, instead of this winter sports, I say something, no, I want uh, latest technology, or latest tips on tips on current current technology. Okay, something I put it here like this. Okay, so why I have done adventures, so all the things. Okay, so everything you can do it here, whatever you want. Suppose these things I don't like, this is the part I don't like, just select and delete it here, no, over, it's gone, right? So now all the things I put it here, and I told you that, yeah, and everything you can change it here. And suppose I told you that you can go for some something like that, no, widget and all things, you can put it here. How do we go for this widgets and all things? If you see it here somewhere, you can check it here. Yeah, yeah, it is there, review. So you go to the general, here it is not there, I hope, and you go to the live mesh, you can go here, and can you find some widgets or something like that? Okay, so this is courier circuits, post, yeah. You have to search it where it is there, you have to check it there. I think you can easily get it there, it's not a difficult job. Here you find some something different. Okay, then I hope you can, here it is there, what is that, reviews, this is the what is this one, media. So okay, so I want media, so I put it here, drag and drop it here. Okay, so it will drag any widget here. No, this is something different, I think you are doing. Yeah, then you can go for any media or anything whatever you want. Yeah, this is a video. Okay, and similarly some YouTube will be there also. So you have to check it where the widgets are there. Don't go for the pro. So here you can go for something, the, because here it is there. So testimonial is there, tab editor is there, services are there, clients are there, posts are there, and all the things you can put it here. Okay, just drag and drop it here, it will there, and you provide all the things, you can do it here. Okay, so with this I think you are conversant how to create a page and how to write all the things, right? So I hope you got sufficient stuffs here to design your own blog or design your own pages. It is only written how to write a blog is different things, and it is not, I am not discussing all that one, because you are expertise in your area. So what is your expertise? You have to share your expertise and you have to earn money. That is the way of doing things, right? So if you don't have any expertise, then don't go for blogs and don't go for any YouTube, because you don't know anything. Why should you make fool others, and others they give wrong feedback to you. So in this way, if you have done everything and you have updated everything, yeah. Oh my God, GoPro project. Okay, so now you can come back here and you yeah, so it takes some time for that also. Yeah, now you can see it here successfully. You are able to design, and this is about the part 2. And in this part, just I go for what I explained you, the starting from everything, because this is the heading and the title section and whatever things heading section is there. So I put this logo or something right up here. I created all the things here. I created this button, then this title and everything I change it here, the button I change it here, the latest post also I drag and drop. You please refer this video number 1. Then I created this coding is live, something like that. I put it here, and you can see a gaming background is there, everything you can see it here, and where partners also I put it there, and how I install this video, everything I have shown you here. Okay, so up to this you learned in this part 2 how to successfully create a post or a web page using this WordPress. Okay, so in the next part I will be telling you how to go for a domain and how to host it. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and you can put your feedback, you can subscribe, and you can also send SMS and comments to me. So I'll be planning for this based on your response and all things. I'll be encouraged, and I'll be planning for more videos. Thank you for watching all the things, and have a good day.